Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Tether from Kraken to Chase Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding tab. Select Withdraw from the options. Choose Tether, USDT, from the cryptocurrency list. Enter the amount of Tether you wish to withdraw. Click on Add Withdrawal Method. Select Bank Transfer as your withdrawal method. Provide your Chase Bank account details. Input your account number and routing number accurately. Confirm the withdrawal method. Review the withdrawal details for accuracy. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the process. Wait for the confirmation email from Kraken. Check your email and verify the withdrawal request. Monitor your Kraken account for withdrawal status updates. Once confirmed, log in to your Chase Bank account. Navigate to your transaction history. Check for the deposited amount in Tether's conversion to USD. If the funds are visible, your withdrawal has been successful. Keep your transaction records for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.